Okay, so today I thought it might be fun to take a look at how to install a user account on Windows 11 that is local, that doesn't have to be tied back to Microsoft. And at this point here in 2025 February, we're actually still able to do that. So I've installed Windows 11 up until the point that I get this select country of origin screen, and then I'm going to hit Shift F10. That's going to get me a command prompt window, and I'm going to need to enter a command of OOBE with a slash, and then it's going to be bypassNRO, just like this. So BYPASSNRO, and then I can go ahead and press enter. This should then reboot my system, and when my system boots back up, we should be able to do the rest of the installation with no network adapter attached to this system. So once the system reboots, I'll be back with you to show you those steps. Now that our system is restarted, it's time to disconnect the Ethernet cable. And here on Proxmox, it's going to be as easy as going to hardware, selecting your network adapter and pressing remove, and then pressing yes. This will remove the internet connection from our VM so that we can proceed with the process just as normal. So if we hit yes here, we're able to move through the installer, skipping the keyboard layout, until we get to the networks page. Here at the networks page, if you've done a Windows 11 install before, you'll notice that we've got an extra added little button here that says I do not have internet. Go ahead and click on that, and the installation process will continue as normal, creating a local user account instead of an online user account through Microsoft. That's all that's to setting up a local user account in Windows 11 here using Proxmox. If you were using a normal system, you could just unplug the Ethernet adapter instead of removing the Ethernet adapter hardware inside of the Proxmox configuration panel. I hope you enjoyed tonight's video about setting up a local user account on Windows 11 here in Proxmox or in a standard computer case on bare metal. As always, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to help Virtualize Everything continue to grow.